Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Easy Tutorials, and for those of you who are the first time in this channel, please consider subscribing. I have made this video, not to teach you something new, as in my usual tutorials, but to help you discover a place which I hope someday will become one of the largest After Effects communities. So, without any further ado, let me show you my new website. To be able to find it, you have to type in your address bar www.easytuto.com, or you can just click the link from the upper right corner of this screen, or the link that you can find in the description of this video. The website is structured for now in 4 important sections. The tutorials section is where I will add all my tutorials, sometimes even before I make them public on YouTube, so you should sign up to the newsletter and keep an eye on this section. The marketplace is the place where you can buy my professional templates. This will support my work and give me the chance to create more and more amazing tutorials. Buying templates will also help you with your projects, speeding up the process of creation, and bringing high quality into your work. The freebie section will be where you will find all the free stuff that I will give to this community. You will find here free templates, footage, pre-rendered material and scripts that will help you with your projects. I have in plan to add here at least one item each week, so keep an eye on this one too. And finally, but not least, the forum. This will be the fastest way to get in contact with me and the other members of this community, where you can ask for help when you need it, or you can help others when they need your help. Here you can publish your creations, and debate any subject related to motion graphics and special effects. I will not waste your time with other details, which you can discover by yourself visiting my website. Thank you for watching this presentation, and I'll see you on easytuto.com.